Have a good one. That's you, Leah. Oh my goodness. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Josiah. We're out here today with Aaliyah in the K truck. We're on our way to the waterfront so we can ride our bikes. I got them in the back right now. See you guys when we get there.
Oh, shit. Right when you get to Suzuki, there's like that sky bridge.
Yeah.
That's a good place to go to. It's a really fun stair.
Yeah, we can go out that way. I'm breaking in new shoes. Oh yeah, Van grab. Oh. Yeah. There's little jumps at each one. That's funny. Oh, that's sick. That's dope. Have a good one. We got a nice Sunday.
Yeah.
Feels good.
My memory from Facebook a year ago, it was like 6 inches of snow and Kiddo and I were riding around the lake at my house.
Oh, yeah, it's way different. It was a lot colder last year, I think. Colder sooner. Hope. I try to practice my fakies, but I suck. Yummy. Because I'm thinking, once I know how to fakie, then I can 180. Two cranks. I gotta keep the same pace or else I'm not gonna make it up. Oh, a trick. I missed it. That's you, Leah. Oh my goodness. Oh, watch out for the kid. Oh. Thanks, buddy. Oh, it's easier that way. Yeah, your foot. What is going on? I don't know. It's really just your left foot. Is it too tight? Wait a minute. Is it? Oh, that's tight as. That's why. You need a wrench to loosen the pedals, huh? Because that's what it is. Your pedal's too tight. It won't spin. So it stays its same direction while it goes around and won't let our foot stay on it.
Well, that means it's busted. Like the bearing is busted because you can't over tighten pedals. They're on their own bearings. Oh,
yeah, that's what it is.
You get new pedals in. Oh, that sucks. There you go.
Loosen it back. Or at least a little bit better. Nice.
Yeah, but that means...
Is it gonna come off?
No. But it is like rattly. Yeah. Like the bearings, there's a bearing that's like lodged in it because it's worn down.
That's better.
Like they really shouldn't be that spinny.
Yeah.
But yeah, there it is. It like stopped. It might stop again on you. Yep, it just did, damn it.
It's tightening itself when she goes forward. Is that what it is?
I got pedals right.
I was watching it pedal, and it would just not move while your foot went right over it every time. And I was like, what the?
I did notice your toe was slipping off. I was like, they shouldn't be that slippery.
Yeah. I was like, yeah, I bet they slip, but every okay. Yeah, well, this is the thing, Aaliyah. If it starts getting stuck like that, just sit down and back pedal.
Just pedal backwards.
Pedal backwards.
Are you going?
Oh, I'm waiting for the kids to clear, but yeah, I'm going.
Oh my goodness!
Kiddos.
That is crazy. No, I left them at home. Oh. Oh. Stuck.
Mom, will you hold my child?
I got a new wheels for our rollerblades, like purple and sky blue for roller skates. Yeah, and then she has some laces that are purple and sky blue coming on the way.
It was crazy, like,
yeah,
we were looking at them and they were purple and blue. I was like,
they match
what?
perfect, yeah. Do you see what I see? I couldn't make it. On your left? No more eyes to watch. Oh!
I mean, this has too.
Blanc. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh, swap me to hit the stairs. I gotta try this thing one more time.
Okay.
I feel buttery on these.
Yeah, this is already smooth and I haven't even got on.
It's already so rigid.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this thing's so tight.
It's like a BMX bike for a mountain bike.
That's so tight.
Oh my goodness, I'm in like negative gear. What the? This thing is like a cloud. The dual suspension is crazy. Yeah, it's so fluffy. That's like an adult BMX. Go for it. Go. Oh, back in the truck. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, like it and go check out my other videos. Remember, Jesus loves you. I'm going to see you guys next time. Peace.